Hey YouTube, how you doing? VT Maestro here. Hope all is well. Well, today I'm working on installing some emergency lighting in addition to what I already have installed previously. And I picked up a few lights at both Lowe's and Home Depot yesterday with some gift cards I received for my birthday and for Christmas recently. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to install these and the plan for running the wire. So I got an emergency light right here in the finished part of our basement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap onto this light. So I was watching another YouTube video, and a person installing his emergency lights had a switch he put them on so he could turn off all the emergency lights and test the batteries once a month. And I want to do the same here. So this is the back of that light I just showed you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that power line and run it to a light switch around here, install another one, and then run power back up to that line, and then tap on to that box up here and run over to my workshop and install a light here, and then bring it into the utility room. Now here's a backup light I have above our panel box, and that currently is powered into a junction box over here. You can't really see it behind this white pipe, and it also powers a Nest Protect, a wired version. It's also running off that light. So what I want to do is put my backup lights all in one circuit, especially on the on and off, so I can test them all at once. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this line, remove it, and just have that line power the Nest Protect off the junction box. And then when I come across from the shop with that line, with the new light over above my tools, I'm going to run that line over, and I'm going to run it directly into this emergency light. And then from there, I'm going to follow the beam. I'm going to go outside the door, and I'm going to install the emergency light somewhere in this area right here, so I can light this way out. And the reason for that is, let's say I need to run the generator at night, I can have a clear path getting to the garage, out of the garage, and so forth. Alright, so that's the plan for today. I want to show you, I picked up some Romex the other day at Home Depot. Both Home Depot and Lowe's has Romex for sale. It was $25 for 50 feet, or it's $50 for 250 feet. So way better deal if you buy in bulk. Okay, so I got the line set run here. Here's the new light switch, and running to the previously existing emergency light. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights here. Show you what happens when I turn off the switch here, and then the lights turn on. So when it's in on position, it's the battery's being charged. When I cut the power, now the emergency lights come on. So I got that one done, and I got the box and the wire run here, and I've also taken apart this emergency light, dewired that one, and took the wire from there and ran into the Nest here. That Nest is all set and going now, and I'm going to take my line set from here, from the other side of the wall here, run it down to this emergency light here, and then over to the door here and out. Okay YouTube, I got the project done. Got the light switch installed here, labeled emergency lights do not turn off, because it's on the up position. It's charging the batteries for the emergency lights. Show you the light I have over here. That lights this room, my work room, storage room. And then I put together this light back together, and that's wired directly from the previous light, and the Nest Protect has been wired to the other junction box. It's separate now, and I'll show you out here. And I got a light right there. It's chilly out, 17 degrees outside right now. Close this up. Alright, I want to show you the view that I have when the emergency lights are engaged and walking down the basement. Everything's lit up nicely. Got the first light of the door that was already existing. Works very well. It's one of the brightest lights I have. And go into the workroom, storage room. There's the new light. All set, looks good. This room is well lit. Now go into the mechanical room. There's the previous light, and it's lighting up the electrical box and all the other connections for the house. Nice. Let's take a look here. And here's the new light that lights the walkway to get into the garage. If I have to go get the generator or get out of the house, everything is lit well. And they have another light that's in the middle of the garage that lights that way. So, another successful project here. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned something. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks.